can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at the general altcoin market. We'll be taking a look at SUI US dollar price chart, currently trading around $1. We'll take a look at Mantra. Mantra has had a huge pump over the last 1 year. We'll take a look at the BNB US dollar price chart, and then we'll take a look at Cardano ADA US dollar price charts. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is down. Altcoin season is around the corner. Are we going to see these altcoins blasting off to the moon, or are they gearing up for a big dump to Goblin Town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. Starting with SUI. SUI in the last 1 week has rallied up by 23.8%. On a yearly time frame, SUI is up 132%. With the market cap of $2.7 billion, SUI currently trades around $1. Let's go to the SUI US dollar price chart. SUI was launched way back in 2023. On May 2023, we saw SUI dump to Goblin Town, finding a bottom around October 2023. And from October 2023, SUI started rallying to higher prices, starting 2024 on a very bright note, going from $0.35, rallying up to as high as $2.1, giving us a 500% pump in 161 days. Huge pumps can happen in the altcoin market. Those pumps can happen very quickly. Your number one job is to stay calm and take advantage of these opportunities. But with those huge pumps that come to the market, we also have huge dumps, and SUI has undergone its second big dump in the cryptocurrency market. We saw it lose 78% of its value in 133 days. This is the second time SUI is undergoing that kind of dump. After it was launched, it went from $1.5 dumping to as low as $0.35, losing 76% of its value. Now, will SUI get back to new all-time highs? Guys, I'm not sure about that, but I'm sure we might see a relief rally for SUI anytime soon. In the coming days and the coming weeks, I'll not be shocked to see SUI rallying back up to the $1.6 level. From where we're currently trading, that will require SUI to rally up by around 64%. And guys, that pump can happen very quickly. Let's take a look at another shining light in this bull market. The last 1 year has seen some altcoins stand out very well. One of those altcoins is Mantra. The last 1 year has seen it rally up by over 6,000%. The last 1 month has seen it rally up by 19%. And the last 1 week, it has rallied up by 23.3%. Take a look at the Mantra US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Mantra was launched way back in 2020. And after that, we saw it pump in the 2021 bull market, but that was a very disappointing rally, and then it went for its first trip down to Goblin Town. We saw it losing around 98% of its value, and this took around 945 days. It spent the whole of 2022 and majority of 2023 just dumping straight down to Goblin Town. But the altcoin market can be known to be very volatile, and that's why you like the altcoin market, and that's why we all want to buy altcoins, because volatility is where the cash is. Yes, we can see huge dumps, but when those huge pumps comes, they are very juicy, they are very wonderful, because we have seen Mantra go from the $0.01 level where it was trading way back in October of 2023, getting to as high as $1.3 in this bull market. At the top of the market, where it got to in July of 2024, we were up over 7,500% from the bottom. $1,000 invested in OM Mantra would have returned over $75,000. And guys, all this happened in just under a year. And that's why the altcoin market is popular to a lot of investors, and that's why alt season is what we're waiting for. Alt season is when we see altcoins outperforming Bitcoin. But right now, Bitcoin is outperforming more than 75% of the top 50 altcoins. We have been in Bitcoin season over the last 6 months. We're not going to be in Bitcoin season forever. We see the markets going between Bitcoin season and altcoin season. We have stayed in Bitcoin season for around 6 months right now. It's due time for us to go back to alt season. Right now, sentiment in the market is down, which has always been a good time to buy. Sentiment in the market is in the gutter. There was extreme fear in the market last week. Last month, there was fear. Right now, there's fear. You want to be that smart investor that is buying low and selling high. And if you have bought Mantra over the last 1 year, that's basically what you have been doing. You'd have been enjoying some sweet profit. Take a look at BNB. BNB has been one of the strongest charts in crypto. Through the downtimes, through the uptime, BNB is there holding on very strong. BNB has gone from as low as 50 cents to as high as $669. BNB has pumped a lot, but guys, With altcoins, you expect pumps, but at the same time, you should be expecting some 50, 60, 70% dump to come at any point in time. That's what we have seen happen for BNB in the previous bear market. 2022 bear market was not kind to any altcoin, BNB included. We saw BNB losing around 73% of its value, finding a bottom around $190. But over the last 1 year, BNB has been doing well for itself. Over the last 1 year, we have seen BNB try to recover. It has recovered as well as Bitcoin and as well as Ethereum. The last 1 year has seen BNB rally up by 155%. BNB is up 4.3% the last 1 month, up 7.8% in the last 1 week. Can BNB get to new all-time highs? Guys, that will depend on Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin struggling to blast above new all-time highs, and BNB barely just got to new all-time highs, barely setting new all-time highs before retracing. I will not be shocked if that's the new high for BNB for a very long time. Right now, I'm of the belief that the cycle is behind us. Right now, I'm of the belief that we are just enjoying some little retracement rally before we start our journey back to Goblin Town. So even though I'm waiting for alt season, even though I'm expecting to see all coins have one final pump to the upside, even though I'm expecting to see extreme greed back in the cryptocurrency market, guys, I'm not having unrealistic expectations of thinking maybe BNB will go to $1,000, maybe Mantra will go to $5, maybe SUI will go to like $10. I don't have those unrealistic expectations, guys. We're grounded in reality on this channel. I believe the pump is coming, but I don't want you to get carried away because that pump might be the pump that will get a lot of people wrecked in the cryptocurrency market. The last chart we'll be looking at in this video is the Cardano ADA chart. Cardano ADA has been one of the biggest fan base, one of the biggest altcoin with the fan base in the cryptocurrency market. But with that comes a lot of pumps. At the same time, with that comes a lot of psychophancy and a lot of dump. After Cardano ADA gave us about 100x in the previous bull market, it made a lot of investors rich, rallying up by 160x in 546 days, which means $1,000 invested in Cardano ADA would have given you about $160,000. All you had to do was hold on for dear life. But guys, if you can get big pumps in the market, you can also get wrecked by big dumps in the market, and that's what we have seen Cardano ADA do, wreck a lot of investors. That's lost 92% of its value over the last 2 years, and the last 1 year has seen it struggled. From where we were trading in October of 2023, Cardano ADA is just up around 55%. The highest price we have seen it trade in 2024 has been the $0.78 level. For my money's worth, I would think we'll set a new high before we start our trip to Goblin Town. I'll not be shocked to see Cardano ADA put in a new high above the $0.75 level, maybe getting to as high as $1 to get the last set of bearish investors invested in the market, and then the rug will be pulled beneath us. So my general overview of this altcoins we've talked about, guys, is that yes, there's still some potential for them to have one last pump, but don't get carried away, as that last pump will lead us deep down to Goblin Town, with sentiments in the market being extreme greed at that point in time. Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Are you buying some more altcoins right now, or are you selling for some sweet profit? Do you see an exponential pump in the altcoin market, or do you believe this is just a relief rally? Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.